Hey y'all, come on in. Today I have a special friend here and I thought I would treat her like royalty with these eggs that the chickens are producing like crazy. This is gold! First we're gonna start with some potatoes. We're gonna roast them with rosemary and garlic powder. Even though I like fresh garlic powder on potatoes is really good.
I mean, garlic in general is delicious.
I know, right?
Minced salt. I've never seen a cooking show live. This is so fun.
So we're gonna just chop up some red onion to go in with these roasted potatoes. A little bit of no, I was gonna say a little bit of olive oil, but there's not enough to even be more than a little bit. We'll have to see if we have more. Oh goodness, some rosemary, garlic powder.
We've got one right here.
No,
Oh, that's sesame. Use pan.
Some pepper and salt. I'm gonna have to go on the hunt for some kind of butter or no. I might have some in the pantry. We'll see what we got. All right, I found more olive oil. Let's give it a stir. Just crack me up.
You have really good stirring skills.
Oh, thank you. Guess we need 2 pots. Oh yeah, I was trying to tell you what I'm cooking today. I could not figure out what to cook because there was nothing at the farmer's market yesterday. I mean, no vegetables. I don't want to discount the people that were there, but no vegetables. I'm just on a roll today, aren't I? So I was trying to think, what can I do with all these golden eggs worth of? So we're gonna make egg bites. See? Okay, so we're making egg bites with green onions. We're gonna saute that down, red bell pepper, spinach, saute that down. With the eggs, I'm gonna mix in cottage cheese and we're gonna put it in, I've sprayed the muffin tin. We're gonna put it in there and let them bake and have some brunch-like food.
Chop on.
We have to stop talking in between.
Then stop talking to me.
Because then you'd hear all the gossip about our wonderful children. I just opened a whole bag of spinach. I'm gonna chop it up and do a light saute to cook it down before we put it in the base of the egg bites.
I live vicariously through your mom. She's so cool.
Bananas, apples, oranges.
Okay. I love that.
We taste tested. We were both like,
oh man, that's pretty bitter. Yeah, that's really bitter.
but I'm also adding in some cottage cheese here. I don't know
What's a cottage cheese do to the eggs? You don't know? It's just
I just saw online that it was.
Oh, okay.
When I was reading different recipes, people said they tried cottage cheese, sour cream yogurt, and they liked the flavor of the cottage cheese best.
I'm excited.
One of my specialties.
I love
a
it.
meal I've never cooked before.
And I'm ready.
In the muffin tins, we have put a base of the green onion, red bell pepper, and spinach. Now I'm gonna scoop up our eggs into the muffin tin. Next for our brunch is, what did you call it? A 26-hour brunch. I haven't even fed her yet.
It's dinner.
It's gonna be a dinner at this point because we won't shut up and I can't cook and talk at the same time. We're gonna do some blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries for a fruit salad.
If we ever get to the fruit salad.
We're getting there right now, I promise. Look how beautiful this is. All right, just a little, most people add sugar, but I'm just gonna do a little honey to bring out the sweetness. Okay, we just pulled these out of the oven, but within seconds, they were all beautiful and they deflated. I'm not gonna say what I think they look like.
But they might need a little sailing bag.
But they might look like, yeah. Hopefully they taste good. And then our potatoes are ready, our roasted potatoes. So we finally get to eat.
Yay!